Good evening to all. I welcome all the participants for attending the valedictory function on 5 days faculty development program on ensuring safety of poultry meat and their products in domestic meat, which is held from 23/8 to 27/8, 2021. And I call upon Dr. P. Samsudin, Sir, Dean in Charge, College of Poultry Production Management, Hosur, for delivering the welcome address. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Good evening to all. With a due respect, I welcome wholeheartedly Dr. Apparao Sir, Dean, Faculty of Food Science and Dean, Faculty, College of Food and Dairy Technology, Koduvalli, for this valedictory function of 5 days online training, faculty training program on ensuring safety of poultry meat and their product in domestic market. Sir, I welcome you, sir. I also welcome the coordinator, Dr. P. Selvan, and the co-coordinator of this training program, Dr. K. Rajendra Kumar, for the valedictory function. I wholeheartedly welcome all the participants from all over the country, and I hope the training would be highly useful for your continuous education. I once again welcome one and all for the valedictory function. Thank you.
Next, report presentation. I welcome Dr. P. Selvan, Program Coordinator and Assistant Sir, Department of Poultry Technology, College of Poultry Production Management, Hosur, for report presentation on 5 days faculty development program.
Good evening to all. So, AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development program on ensuring safety of poultry meat and their products in domestic market has been organized by Department of Poultry Technology, College of Poultry Production Management, Hosur, during the period between 23/8 and 27/8, 2021. A total of 57 participants from various disciplines related to food processing have registered for this program. A total of 14 skilled resource persons delivered 19 guest lectures. The program has been divided into 4 major sessions. The session on contracts provided the background knowledge on broiler production, processing of poultry, and commercialization of poultry meat products. Session 2 was on safety concerns in poultry meat and their products, which provided idea about major microbial and chemical hazards in poultry meat, with special importance to Salmonella, Campylobacter, and avian influenza. With respect to chemical hazards, we have seen about antibiotic residues. This session also included lecture on process-induced toxicants like heterocyclic aromatic amines, polyaromatic hydrocarbons related to processed poultry meat products. Session 3 on strategies to control the hazards in poultry meat and their products emphasized the role of meat inspection, importance of cleaning and sanitation, employee hygiene in processing plant, equipment design, automation to ensure poultry meat safety, and waste management. In addition, the session also threw light on various physical, chemical, and microbiological intervention technologies commercially employed in processing plant to control the hazards throughout the poultry meat supply chain. Session 4 on food safety management system, auditing and regulation have provided an overview of the food safety management system to be adopted in poultry processing industry, importance of auditing in poultry processing plant, and regulations related to poultry processing in India. The program has been conducted successfully due to the active participation of the participants. Thank you all.
So now it's the time for feedback from the participants. Participants can share their views on the faculty development program.
A very good evening to all. I am Dr. Ruben from Veterinary College, Bangalore. So,
Welcome,
this
sir.
5 days online training program which has been organized jointly by AICT and Learning Atal Academy and College of Poultry and Production Management on ensuring safety of poultry meat and the products in domestic market. So, I think the course coordinators, they have taken a good pain in dividing the sessions to 4 major categories, wherein because majority of the participants in this online training program are food technologists. So what they have done is they have not only they covered the basic, they covered the basics because this is more of a veterinary type of professional type of online program. So they have taken into consideration the food technologist point of view. So majority of the speakers, they have covered the basics and also they have gone into the details of the various aspects of ensuring safety of poultry meat and their products in domestic market. I once again compliment the coordinator, especially Dr. Selvan, and also the teammates Dr. Rajendra Kumar, who have done a wonderful job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I would like to thank the team and the CPP that organized a well-planned and a beautiful, informative session. Thanks a lot. It was wonderful to have the meditation session as well. That relaxed a lot. And moreover, this session that made me knowledgeable regarding the handling of the poultry and other meat items. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Participants are welcome to. Yes, sir.
Sir, my voice is audible, sir.
Yes, sir. It is audible, sir. Dinesh
Yes, sir.
Kumar, your voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Very good evening to all of you. Sir, actually, this 5-day ATP program was very informative, and each day, every session that we covered, like from the starting, like production, processing, preservation, and safety. So, like it's a got very nice information about the poultry processing, and because this will be very useful for our future future also for the whether if you go for the career related to the food industries and as well as the academic oriented. So in future also we are expecting like this program from the College of Poultry Production and Management, and the course coordinator Dr. Selvan sir. Every lecture they are arranged in a very serious manner. It was very informative, and really we got very just from this FTP, sir. Full, all of you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is audible, sir?
Yes, Dr. Pandian, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I thank to the Dean CPPM Hosur. Then I thank to Dr. Selvan sir and Rajendra Kumar. They taken a very good effort to conduct this 5 days program, sir. Actually, one thing, even though I am basically from the poultry faculty, actually the 5 days training courses we refreshed more, sir, regarding primary processing and subsequently with food safety issues, then chemical hazards. So all the aspects we learned many informations. And apart from that, then one more class is like mental and emotional development. That are so many stresses, and really it was very helpful to us. I thank, sir. I thank to all the organizers, dean, and all the speakers. Taken a very good efforts to conduct this training program, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Pandian. Any participants? Thank you, participants, for your valuable suggestions that would be helpful for us to improve our training program in further periods.
Thank you all. So now it is the time for honor. So I welcome Dr. P. Samsudin, Dean in charge, CPPM, Hosur, to honor our guest today, Dr. B. Apara, Sir, Dean, Faculty of Food Sciences, and the Dean, College of Food and Dairy Technology, Koduvally.
Sir, we wish to offer our a small memento online, and I request our chief guest to accept our memento, sir. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Now I request Dr. V. Apparao sir, Dean Faculty of Food Sciences and Dean College of Food and Dairy Technology, Koduvally, to deliver a valedictory address.
Respected Dean in charge, Dr. Shamsuddin. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir is audible, sir.
Dean in charge, College of Food and Management, the organ Selvan, assistant professor, and he's the coordinator of this faculty training, Hosur, and of course, in this faculty, and dear participants, very good evening to all. I'm glad safety of poultry meat and their products in. Now you have come all the way to the end of this training program. 7. Many participants, I think, Bangalore, Dr. Pandya, of them are have. It's nice. I think you would have lectures and this training program. Of course, somehow it had become it as online because of the. I think it would hands-on. You would have facilities to show all these things. All you had a better. Whenever you come next time, you to more experiences, and program has covered a wide to the meat market, and not only the topic delivered by people from field, people like Dr. So they have come lecture from outside, and also some development. So these are also very good. You are also Tish Raja, chicken processing division. Also have, he is also a meat scientist, and engineer R. Yogaraj, who has given a lecture on application of food safety management system in poultry industry and auditing in poultry meat technology. So in this, like to, this is more pertaining to meat and their products. In the present prevailing situation, of course, we have completed the second wave, and people are expecting the third wave also, but I hope it has been postponed because of some reason, because of more vaccination, other thing. But if you see, I had an opportunity to visit the Licious factory recent. Every industry, especially in the food industry, this has been broken. See, pandemics, the main problems is and food supply. Food transported to market, or so availability of food to the grains, food things, it did not reach the consumers smoothly. Okay, but if you see the meat, especially the poultry meat, the feedback, people were very much worried about the hygiene and other things, so they were afraid to go to wet market, and there were a lot of demand for the packed foods. So that is the specialty here. If you could see in this pandemic, the poultry meat marketing has improved considerably because of the close down of the wet markets in the, or wet shops, retail shops, wet market retail shops. It is closed. So it is available only in the specialized markets, etc. The marketing of the chilled poultry meat, packed poultry meat has increased considerably, if you see the statistics. Okay, so that's one thing I would like to tell here. And one more thing I would like to stress here is, because of this packed and cold storage chain maintained, cold chain maintained supply of chicken had resulted in consumers purchasing safe and safe quality meat. Okay, so that's one important thing what we have learned from this pandemic. Okay, so there is a lot of awareness among public. So we were also stressing in some meetings that this should continue, and continue in sense, I am not talking about the pandemic. I am talking about the packed foods, packed meat. Okay, so that sort of intention, attitude among public, or awareness among public should increase, and they should go for more of packaged meats like this. So to have more hygienic thing, contamination is less when compared to the open markets, open shops, open retail shops. So that's one thing I would like to stress here. And of course, the rest of the things like chemical hazards and then microbial hazards, all those things, I think many people are, many senior people have also attended here, and those who have organized many training programs and programs like this, like Irshad, Ruban, Pandian. So they are all people who have organized many programs like this. And I congratulate the team, especially the Dean in charge, Dr. Shamsuddin, and Dr. P. Selvan, and Dr. Rajendra Kumar for their nice efforts, because this is being well reflected by the participants. So whatever you have done all these 5 days, you have good response, and I congratulate once again the organizers for a good, for a well organized training program. And I take this opportunity to thank all the faculty of College of Poultry Production and Management inviting me. Yeah, I think there was a small network problem. I thank all the staff and the organizers of this training program for inviting me for this valedictory function. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable valedictory address, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. Rajendra Kumar to deliver a vote of thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. So I give this, take this opportunity to thank the Atal Academy, that is AICD Training and Learning Academy, for providing us the opportunity for conducting the 5 days faculty development program on ensuring safety of poultry meat and their products in domestic market. And I thank university, our university, that is Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, for giving the permission to conduct the 5 days online training program. And I thank Dr. V. Apparao sir, Dean Faculty of Food Sciences and Dean College of Food and Dairy Technology, for providing the valedictory address. And I thank Dr. P. Samsudin sir, Dean in charge, College of Poultry Production and Management, for providing the welcome address, and for providing all the necessary support needed to conduct this program in a very successful manner. And I thank all our fellow faculties of College of Poultry Production Management who have supported for organizing the program in a very successful manner. And I thank all the participants who are registered and attended the program, and patiently they have listened to all the lectures given by the various faculty. Thank you, sir. Thank you all the participants. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you all. So with this, we shall close this valedictory session, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for one and all. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
4:30 or 4:45? 4:30. 4:30.